morning from Graham Family Farm. It's October 28th, 2025, around 11:15. Headed down to move the hay bales around so the boys can use the car trailer today. It's 43 degrees right now, and it's supposed to rain. So far, we've been lucky it hasn't. I can't wait till spring. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just move these bales off the hay wagon onto a hay trailer there on top of the alfalfa. That way I can empty the car trailer. At least part of it can be on the hay wagon. Get it off the ground. I guess 2 at a time will be alright. See how many I fit on here. Yeah, I think this will work. I'll just, I gotta keep them spread out. So, they still dry out some. There is a chicken in here that is not mine. I don't know where this chicken came from. What are you doing, red chicken? Good, my help's arrived. Got that hay off the hay wagon onto the little hay trailer. So next, I'm gonna move the car trailer closer to the hay wagon. Move these over. I know you want to ride, but not yet. No. Got work to do. Alright, we're happy now. Alright, we got it moved over to the hay wagon. Got space in between them all. We're going to tarp it because it says it's going to rain. It's been saying that all morning. Take the trailer out of here. Easier hook up this thing up. Alright, that's taken care of. CJ's driving. Where are we driving to? We're going to drive into the fence if you don't turn. Okay, turn it. Alright. I better put this down. That's the duck. Now, thanks for watching. I'll catch you later.